This is a beautiful 1939 Ford stake body truck. Beautiful color. It's a very light ivory, white walls and hubcaps. And the grille, I think, is outstanding. A very large grille. Takes up most of the front end. Here we see the Florida plate for that year. And we have the flathead V8 under the hood. It's in excellent condition. Oil bath air cleaner. And of course we still have the running board. And this stake body is beautifully done. The wood is excellent. Chassis is painted that black color. Interior looks just like it did at the factory. We have the windshield adjusted outward, which was a common feature back in the day for ventilation. Notice the hood ornament becomes the latch for the opening the hood. There's the gas cap. Very nice appearance. And we have a passenger, I think you'll see. I think he's kind of contained there. So nothing, no chases will be observed as long as he's contained there in the back. It's always neat when people have a sense of humor with their vehicles. Very nice indeed.